If you need to get rid of any sticky stuff on floors, walls, ceiling, doors, plastic, woodwork, anything like that, then I've got the product just for you. Stay tuned to find out what it is. Look at the weather outside. Isn't it miserable? Anyway, let's not worry about the outside. Let's look at the inside. Don't you love when you find these foam sticky pads on the wall that people put on nowadays? Just put posters and all sorts of other crap on the walls. I used to sort of scrape them off and then murker them, but I've come across a new product that I'm going to give a go. See if that works a little bit better. The first stage is to get rid of all these foam bits that are on the wall. I just use a filler blade to get behind them and just scrape them off the wall. So then you're just left with the adhesive on the wall like that. Let's try this multi-solve and see if that has any effect on it. They say all you need to do is just spray an area and leave the soak in. So you give that a spray. And these bits there, and that bit there. We'll see how that works. It smells a little bit like WD-40. So, let that soak in. Come back in a minute. Well, I've left it a few minutes to soak in. I've got my Alpha blade out. I love this scraper. It's I don't think you can buy it anymore, but it's a great little tool. And there you go, look, you can see that it's getting the rest of that glue off the wall. It's still left a little bit of residue, so I think it's going to need another spray, but it definitely seems to be working. See, start there a bit first. Yeah, look, it's taking all that off quite nicely. So I'm going to give it another application just to get rid of, there's still a little bit of slippery sort of feel to it, but it's definitely got it off a lot easier than the other ways I've been using. Let's try this bit here. Look at that. That is an amazing job. It really does come off a tree, as you can see. Right? So we'll give it another application. See what the results are. I find works really nice if you apply a little bit to a microfiber cloth and then use that to wipe it off the wall. The lighting is really bad, so you can't really see, but believe me, it does take it off the wall. Look, you can hardly see where it was before. And the same bit there. And over there where it was. Does a great job. So, like I say, if you're looking for an easy way, I mean, I've been videoing this, so it's taken a lot longer, but that'll probably only take you about 5 minutes. Scrape off the foam facing, spray the back in, get on with something else, come back, give it a scrape, wipe it over, and then give it a second application. You'll be good to go. Great little product. Definitely be leaving some of that in the van. So I thought I'd show you the result. that's the wall with a coat of Jono's cover mat on it. So that's a big thumbs up for me for the CT1 multi-solve. Does a really good job really quickly. Get some in your van. Get you out of a spot. That's what it's all about. Getting the job done. Know what products to use. Getting in, getting out, and getting your cash. Take care, guys. Got a good product I've just found and used that I think you're going to think stuff you find on walls, doors, windows, floors, ceilings, walls, said walls, timber. If you enjoyed this video, then maybe check this one out. If not, try this one.